In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build and customize your first high-converting funnel using Funnelish, from creating your account all the way to editing pages, products, automations, analytics, and pricing, so you know exactly what to expect and how everything works. Now to get started, you can go ahead and click on the Start Free 14-Day Trial button. I recommend following along with me, so if you don't have an account yet, just go ahead and create one. From here, you can continue with Google, or you can sign up by entering your details manually. Once you choose how you want to sign in, Funnelish will send you an email to verify your account. Just open that email and click the verification link. After that, you'll see a welcome message that says, "Welcome to Funnelish." And step number 1 is to start creating your funnel. Just click on Create Your First Funnel. Now, once you're here, you'll see a few options. You can use one of the templates shown at the bottom. You can start with a blank funnel, or you can create a new funnel from scratch. You can choose whichever one you want, but the easiest way to get started is by using a template. I personally recommend this so you can get familiar with how funnels are structured and how everything works. You can browse templates by trending, popular, or by specific industries. Right now, they have categories like food and drinks, health and beauty, vitamins, digital products, e-commerce, and sales. If your business fits into one of these, you can filter by industry. If not, you can just go with trending or popular, or scroll through all templates and pick one that looks good to you. For this example, I'm going to use the facial serum funnel. When you click on it, you can see the pages included in the funnel, like the checkout page, upsell page, and thank you page. It's a pretty basic funnel, but it works well. You can preview it or save it for later, but I'm going to click Use this template so we can move forward. Once the funnel is created, the first thing I recommend doing is editing the pages. You can adjust the advanced settings later. For now, just start with the first page, which is the landing page, and click the Edit icon. Inside the editor, go to Page Properties at the top left. This is where you can change things like the background color, layout, padding, background style, background position, and even add a CSS gradient. You can also choose the font you want to use. These are your general page settings. After that, you can go through the page from top to bottom. Most templates are already optimized for conversions, so the layout and button placement usually makes sense. For example, you can add a logo at the top, change the text, or replace images. Let's say I want to add a logo on the right side. I'll click Browse in the image area, upload my logo, and then select the uploaded file. Once that's done, the logo is placed on the page. You can resize it easily by clicking on it and adjusting the size. If you want to change the background color, just click on the section, go to the side panel, tap the plus icon, select colors, and choose the color you want. You can do the same thing with text. Just click on the text, select the color, and apply it. To change the text itself, double-click and type whatever you want. If there's a section you don't need, like one at the bottom, just click on it and hit the delete icon. Now, if you go back to the landing page and tap where it says click or drop a widget here, you'll see a plus icon. Tap it, and on the left side, you'll see different widgets you can add. There are widgets for text, media, call to action buttons, forms, and more. For example, I'm going to add a before and after slider. Once it's added, all you need to do is upload one image for the before view and another for the after view. That's it. If you decide you don't want it, just delete it and add something else. If you want to add a video, just click on the video widget and choose the video you want to display. On the left side, you can change or replace the video anytime. Overall, customizing the page is very simple. You just click on whatever you want to edit. The buttons in the funnel are usually already linked correctly. For example, a Shop Now button will take visitors to the checkout page. If you click on the button and go to Interactions, you can choose what happens when someone clicks it. You can set it to submit the step, go to the next step, go to a URL, or go to a specific section or row. In this case, you can choose Go to Section or Row if that fits your funnel flow. You can also customize the page by device. If most of your visitors are on mobile, you can switch to Mobile View and adjust everything there. The same goes for tablet and desktop. Once you're done editing, just click Save Changes. Now you can move on to the next page in the funnel. Go back to the funnel overview and click on the checkout page, then edit that page as well. Before that, let's talk about products. At the bottom, you'll see the products section. Some templates already have products set up, but you can add a new one by clicking Add New Product. You can choose whether it's a one-time product or a subscription. For this example, I'll choose subscription and click Continue. From here, you'll enter the product name, billing amount, recurring time, and whether it has a trial period. You can also choose if there's an order bump. Once everything is filled out, click Create Product. That's basically how you customize your funnel. It's very straightforward. Now let's quickly go over the rest of the platform. At the top, you have the dashboard, where you can see your revenue, page views, and overall performance. You also have analytics where you can view detailed data for your funnels. The funnels section shows all of your funnels in one place. Orders is where you'll see all customer purchases. Customers is where you can view the people who have bought from you and manage their information. Next is automations, which is one of the more powerful features. Click Create Automation to start from scratch. You can choose triggers like On Purchase, Purchase Attempt, or Opt-in. There are also triggers for things like failed recurring payments, refunds, new subscriptions, and canceled subscriptions. For example, if I choose On Purchase and enable Run only once per customer, I can then choose which funnels this automation applies to. After that, I can add actions like sending an SMS, sending an email, adding a delay, setting conditions, or connecting integrations. If I choose Send an SMS, I can write a simple message like, "Thank you for your order." By clicking the three dots, I can insert contact details like the customer's first name. I can also add order details like order number, payment reference, and amount. Once that's saved, the SMS will be sent automatically after a purchase. Next is Analytics. These are your general analytics where you can set a time range and even view live traffic to see where people are clicking in real time. At the bottom, you can see revenue, funnel performance, payment methods, UTM reports, and device performance. Funnel performance shows how each funnel is doing, including purchase attempts, orders, and opt-ins. Now let's look at apps. Here you'll see built-in integrations like Funnelish Pay, Proofy, Facebook Pixel, Pinterest Tag, and more. If you go into Settings and then Integrations, you'll find even more options, including Shopify. When you connect Shopify, you can track and manage your Funnelish orders directly inside your Shopify store. To connect it, you just enter your store domain and follow the setup steps. One of the biggest advantages of Funnelish is its advanced analytics. If you open a specific funnel and click on Analytics, you'll see detailed data like conversion rates per page, revenue per step, downstream revenue, and downstream orders. Inside the funnel settings, you also have funnel apps, funnel automations, and general settings. This is also where you can connect a custom domain, although you will need to upgrade your plan to do that. Now, lastly, let's talk about pricing based on what you see here. Funnelish has 3 main monthly plans. The first plan is $49 per month. This includes no transaction fees, unlimited sales, 20,000 visitors per month, 1 custom domain, up to 20 funnels, 100 pages, unlimited products, unlimited automations, unlimited payment gateways, apps and integrations, and free SSL. The next plan is $79 per month. This increases your limit to 100,000 visitors per month, 3 custom domains, up to 100 funnels, unlimited pages, and everything else included in the previous plan. The highest plan is $199 per month. This gives you unlimited visitors, unlimited funnels, unlimited pages, 9 custom domains with the option to add more, and full access to all features with no limitations. All plans are billed monthly and include no transaction fees. And that's it. That's a full walkthrough of how Funnelish works and how you can build and customize your first funnel. If this Funnelish tutorial was helpful to you, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more step-by-step guides like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.